not really that much. And breaking these niggas down like a hammer. You don't really know you are.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl AshaKosh, back again with a new video. If you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today I have this Pixie cut curly wig that I transformed with you guys to show you guys how I got this look. If you guys are loving this look like I am right now, like I am obsessed, then stay tuned and get all the deets so that you can slay this hair just like me, you guys. Like, it looks so natural. Like, y'all thought this was my hair before I said anything? Did you think this was my hair before I said anything? I know, right? Yeah, you guys. And I love the highlights in it because, of course, it's full. It's giving full vibes. All the vibes. Y'all, I'm just really feeling this hair. I think it looks super good. And I feel like my face is super chubby because you guys know I'm like really pregnant right now. So this, it doesn't make my face look big. I don't know. I just like how it looks right now. And you guys, if you want to know more about this wig, stay tuned. Let's get the video started. You guys, I have another wig from I Define Hair. And I'm about to try it out. So come along with me as I try it out. We try it out together and see if it's a hit or a miss. A lot of you guys like the last wig they sent me that was a short bob. This is also another bob, but it's curly and it got highlights. So let's find out together. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. Let me open it up. It comes with wig caps, information cards. We love wig caps, but and that's about it. That's about it. That's all you're gonna get. Pull out the wig, nicely packaged. This one came in a good amount of time. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. The last one took a few minutes. This one took about 15 days, maybe 20. Way faster than the last one. So like lace in the front, tracks in the back, elastic band. The color, as you guys can see, this is straight off the pack. Nothing manipulated on it. The curls are giving. I'm not gonna lie, the curls is really cute. Alright, now that we see the wig, let's place it on one just to see what it looks like when we just put it on and see what we gotta do to the wig. It has clips, and we'll put those clips down. So this is what it's looking like on, but clearly it needs some TLC, which we can give it. And this is what is straight on. It's actually very short. Child. This is damn near a pixie cut wig. I don't know what I was expecting, but I don't know if I was expecting that. But there's nothing we can't fix or like this is straight out the pack. You can't wear this hair straight out the pack. That's what. Let's just get that over with. It's definitely gonna need some work, some TLC. Let's start with first. Please. Taking it off, and I don't think it's bleach. So I'm gonna use my Ruby Cream Foundation and make it more of my skin tone. I'm gonna put it on my lace and now that I kind of know where the hair is gonna lay, I'm gonna add some Pixie glue to glue it down. But not real glue because it's not glue, it's gel. We have achieved a part, y'all. I had to pluck, not a lot, but pluck enough to get a part, you know what I mean? Now that we have a part, I'm also going to use some makeup to just make it more pronounced. Now we're talking. Now I got my hot color, so we can just make it. We'll actually wet the hair, and then we're gonna spiral the curls. Do some roots to show you how the magic happens. Now that I have all the curls curled, I'm gonna focus on my edges real quick and do them. And yeah, see how that goes. These are my actual edges out right here on the side. My sideburns are too long to hide under a wig. I'm just not gonna do it. And I don't think they look bad, so that's why I do my sideburns like that. Just like, I'm not cutting my sideburns off, nor if it matches the color of the wig, I'm gonna keep it out. I think it makes it a little bit more natural. Let's shake it out a little bit. And it's still pretty wet right now, so wait till it dries, y'all. Alright. I really like this color. And I'm really feeling the cut, y'all. It's super cute. And I think when it dries, it's gonna even look more natural. This is what the hair looks fully dry, you guys. I can definitely say that I am obsessed. You guys, what do you guys think? It looks super natural. Like, I swear. Let me show you guys. It looks like it's growing from my scalp. Do you see that? The wizard, I slayed. I slayed. Comment down below if you think I slayed. Because I slayed. I slayed. I slayed. I slayed. Beyonce. I am very, very happy with this turnout. At first, you guys, this is what we looked like. I didn't think we could save the wig. I didn't think we could do it. But after I put the little pizzazz, a little razzle dazzle to it, it definitely gave. It gives. It really does. And I'm just happy to have a new look right now, you guys. Like, I've been having the long bob, and I've never had a short bob or like a pixie cut curly wig, and I really, 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 really like it. I think it gives so much natural. Like, I really do think this could fool somebody. I think somebody might think this is my actual hair going out my scalp. Okay. Hey, y'all, get this wig. Everything you need to know about this wig will be linked down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.
You said I can't trust in